2024 Best 600 Cubic Centimeters Motorcycle for Beginners Suzuki GSX-R. The 2024 Suzuki GSX R600 stands out as an enticing choice for beginners venturing into the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category, offering a potent blend of performance, sleek design, and the renowned reliability associated with the GSX-R lineage. Renowned for its track-inspired features and user-friendly characteristics, the GSX R600 stands as an ideal entry point for novice riders seeking an exhilarating and manageable supersport motorcycle. Powering the Suzuki GSX R600 is a high-revving 599 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, inline-4 engine. Engineered for precision and performance, this power plant delivers an adrenaline-inducing power output, making it well-suited for riders eager to experience the thrills of a supersport motorcycle. The GSX R600's responsive throttle ensures a dynamic riding experience, whether navigating city streets or carving through winding roads. Design-wise, the GSX R600 exudes a race-ready and aerodynamic aesthetic, reflective of its supersport pedigree. The bike features sharp fairings, twin headlights, and a compact profile that emphasizes both form and function. The GSX R600's design not only communicates its ability to excel on the track but also signifies Suzuki's commitment to pushing the boundaries of sport bike design. Comfort is a consideration for riders entering the supersport category, and the Suzuki GSX R600 strikes a balance between sport-oriented ergonomics and rider comfort. The bike's riding position is designed for dynamic control, with slightly forward-leaning ergonomics that cater to spirited riding. While this may be challenging for some beginners, those with a keen interest in sport-oriented riding will find the GSX R600's ergonomics suitable for an engaging and exhilarating experience. Handling is a standout feature of the GSX R600, characterized by nimble and precise performance. The bike's lightweight frame, advanced suspension systems, and aerodynamic design contribute to exceptional maneuverability. Novice riders will appreciate the GSX R600's forgiving nature, allowing them to build confidence progressively while enjoying a stable and controlled ride. Safety features are integrated into the GSX R600, including a robust braking system and advanced electronic aids. Anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41, is often included as standard, enhancing rider control and safety, especially during intense riding scenarios. While the Suzuki GSX R600 offers an invigorating supersport experience, its higher power output, aggressive nature, and sport-focused ergonomics may pose challenges for beginners. Additionally, the GSX R600's price point positions it as a premium option in the 600 cubic centimeters supersport category, making it an investment in a track-ready and high-performance sport bike. In conclusion, the 2024 Suzuki GSX R600 is a compelling choice for beginners entering the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category, particularly for those seeking an intense supersport experience. Its track-inspired performance, aggressive design, and Suzuki's commitment to cutting-edge technology make it an ideal companion for riders eager to embrace the dynamic world of high-performance sport bikes, provided they approach it with the necessary skill and respect for its capabilities.